And yesterday, you know what I want to do today? We went to farmer's market, and my family bought some ceviche, which is so delicious. So I want to make ceviche. So this is the lime. We have lemon tree. We also have lime at home. 2 onions. I think 2 onions should be enough. And tomato. Let's cut it. I actually already started cutting, but this side a little bit water. So we put a layer of kitchen towel under it, so the board does not move that much. On this side, we will boil water. Turn on the fire.
是我们的 yellow lime。
Yellow lime. 哦，哇，行，你挑一个最大最好的。哇，
2个。
一个就够了，留着慢慢的。That's lime. 为什么叶子黄了？哦，我们的 lemon， 哇，哦，那个 fruit de la passion 动了，kiwi 呢？哦，这儿有一个 fruit de la passion。Okay. Okay, I will boil some shrimp, and I made a video, and I realized I didn't press the button. So I bought some shrimp from Costco, boil it, and I feel bad. I did the cutting, and I have done all the cutting, and I feel this is one of my most unique skill to cut them. But I forgot to turn on the camera. Doesn't matter. So now I have some of this salsa. I will blend them to be lazy. Can I blend? Okay, it's safer to blend here. Okay. It will be very, very noisy. Sorry for that. So that creates some pulp, and this pulp and these combine together. You create, there is texture, there is chunkiness, and I put capsicum, tomato, you can see here, capsicum, tomato, and cilantro, and little onion in it. This little onion, that's and the lime. My husband just went there and on the tree, so I pressed the lime, one complete lime, and then I did the hello with salt, pepper, mustard seed, cumin seed, just to say hello. Okay, now this is it, and let's take a look. I have not yet put any hot sauce yet. It's already quite hot, so this one is good. I will take it out. See, it is boiled and good. And you will get your most terrible, bad looking screener and let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then put into the sauce and put into refrigerator, and that is all. Okay, now I need to put a little drop of spice. I do not know which one is better, so I think for spicy sauce, it's always have a personal preference. I do not have, so I will make it good. A man and a woman makes it perfect. Do not know how much I should put. They can, when my family eats it, we can put a bit later. And this is still too hot to put in. And we wait a little bit. So I actually rinse it through cold water. Now I can put it in. And then you put in a bottle, in a container, and put in refrigerator. That is it. See you later, alligator. Do I need to put some more sauce? Let me just do like this. Bon appetito. You will see it in a couple of hours, okay? Bon appetito. Okay, so this is almost the end. I will put it in here. I think this is not enough. I put some in this bottle also. So the shrimp is all soaked in. Oh, this one is almost enough. So we make 2 bottles of them. And please be tender to me. I am not using real raw shrimp or raw fish, and it's supposed to be used the raw fish, but I do not have. We live in a condition that is not so close to the sea, so this is my fake way of doing it. Put in refrigerator for a couple of hours and enjoy it later. Buon appetito. Do, 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 do.